at the crossroads, man. Looking at this train. It's going real slow, but there's some badass artwork on there, man. Taggings. I don't mind waiting for the train as long as I get to see the art. Speaking of art, man, check this ticket out, man. It's like beautiful. I've never seen a ticket this freaking colorful in my life before. Well, it's pretty great. But hell yeah, man. I was looking at this. There's like big old juggernauts on that. Look at this, man. Cool. Sleep tastes pretty, Tribus, and Knuckles Deep. Never seen Knuckles Deep before. But Tribus and Sleep Taste Pretty are pretty good, man. But I'm psyched. Got like 30 minutes left. 30 minutes to the show.